up, everybody? We're gonna do another video today. I told you I was gonna start getting the videos coming out, so we got another one today. I got a pool wall we're gonna knock out. I wasn't exactly for sure how tall it was. We're gonna run up here and take a look at it. And mud's on the way, and it is a really muddy job. I got stuck in there last time, but they've got a lot of rock down, and should go pretty good today. So walk over here and take a look at that, and should be a truck pulling up here real quick. So I'm definitely cribbed up on the front end there a little. It was really soft, and I came in and I said, man, there's a lot of water around here today. And the homeowner told me, he said they're draining the pool right up there on top of the hill, and of course it's all running down through here. So maybe today, this afternoon, I'll finally get to wash the truck, I hope. Alright, here's what we're pouring. 8 inches thick, 4.5 feet. And these are Nudura Styrofoam blocks. And this is for a swimming pool in the backyard. And the R value, what do you think an R value is? R18 or R20 in here. But what they're going to do is then they'll pour a pad down in the bottom of this. I'm sure there'll be some steps. And once he gets his plumbing in, backfill this thing and get a little porch area, I guess, poured around back here and start swimming. The webbing in these, and what they got is plastic webbing, and that will actually allow you to snap in your rebar. Now usually they'll send out a pea gravel mix, but you can pour it with a regular limestone mix also. But you usually want to pour about wet enough where it'll flow, and where it'll kind of climb over those webbings. But that'll be all the way through there, and we'll just hold it at the top of the wall and start pouring. I better get over. We got our first truck coming down the hill. This is a new rock road they put in. Last time it was grass. We tried to get in here while it was frozen, and we did, and they did manage to get 2 6-wheel drives out of here. And then whenever I was able to come out, I was stuck. So but they got a rock road today, and see what we got. First truck is in. Second one is coming down the hill here. doing lately is I will actually put the balls in and I will put this boom back on the truck and suck those backwards. I tried that one other time a long time ago. I didn't think I had really good success with it. I guess I pulled it back too quick. But I've been doing that lately. It just allows me to get things cleaned up around here while that's coming back. And I can actually start putting the pads in. So I did get a new hose. My other one blew out, so it bit the dust, and I'll put it on the scrap pile. So. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that little pour. That was a little styrofoam wall that is going to be a pool later on. It went really good. I don't know, we don't see styrofoam walls a lot around this area. Kind of curious how much you guys see them up in the northern states, even up into Canada, I'm sure. I would think that's a big deal up there. Just got back in the shop. I believe I'm going to pull down here and give this truck a quick wash. I'm not going to go crazy because they are calling for snow tomorrow, which is Saturday, and I'm pretty sure the roads will probably be wet on Monday. So once again, it'll be muddy and wet next week. But I'm going to try and get this thing cleaned up a little bit and call it a day. All right, I hope everybody enjoyed today. That's all I got. Styrofoam wall. Greg was actually on a bigger pour I was supposed to go to today, but the 38 wasn't quite going to reach over the wall that I needed to do, and I believe I heard that he reached the whole thing in one set with a 43. So there was a 22-foot wall there he had to go up and over, and it was an 8-inch deep pour. Good thing he reached it all in one set, so made it a lot easier than moving the truck around. But I grabbed that styrofoam wall, and everything went good there. Came back, gave this little thing a bath, but I don't think that's going to last long after this weather we got coming in Saturday, so it is what it is. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share it with your friends, and I appreciate you all watching these, and I'm going to try and keep pumping them out. So see you all in the next one.